What's up, my friend? Welcome to this video where I want to share with you a really cheap but really effective strategy to actually start growing your list in 2018 with your Facebook ads. So if that's something that you want to do, stay tuned because this video is going to be awesome. What's up, everybody? This is Hernan and welcome to this video where I want to share with you my $5 a day strategy to actually grow your list. This is super beginner friendly, super easy to implement. And there's going to be some moving parts that you want to have in mind. So, stay tuned and get ready to take notes and actually rewind this video if you need to, because it's going to be amazing. Let's jump right into it. Now, before we go into the actual strategy, the step-by-step strategy, I just want to invite you guys to join the free Facebook group. It's a 100% free community where entrepreneurs like you and I, marketers like you and I are there, exchanging ideas, exchanging a lot of the good stuff, a lot of value. So if you want to join, there's going to be a link somewhere around here so that you can come join and have a lot of fun. Not only that, but if you really want to take your business to the next level, if you're consulting for clients, or if you have a Shopify store, drop shipping store, or if you have an e-commerce store, or maybe if you want to go ahead and grow your consultant practice, or you have an info product that you want to sell, or maybe you want to do some affiliate marketing, whatever you want to do online to make more money, go ahead and subscribe to this channel because there's something for everyone on this channel. I cover topics between PPC, SEO, a lot of the good stuff, so you want to go ahead and click the subscribe button. So with that said, let's jump into the $5 a day strategy with Facebook ads to actually grow your list in 2018. Now, I know that many of you guys are afraid of investing in Facebook advertising because you think it's too expensive, that you cannot afford it. But the reality is that when you implement this three-step strategy, your life is going to be so much easier and you'll actually start seeing how your email list will grow. Now, the next question that I get a lot is, why do I need an email list? Like, why on earth would I go ahead and grow my email list? Because the reality is that the bigger your email list, in short, the more money you're gonna make. The reality is not about the size of the email list, it's how you use it. But other than that, it's about the relationship that you have with your readers and your subscribers. But in any case, if you wanna grow your list, this is really gonna help you out. And also, you only need $5 a day. Of course, you can spend more, you can invest more once you see this is working, but this is the best way by far to growing your list. Even if you're on a limited budget, with $5 a day, this works really well. So let's start talking about the steps of the puzzle, shall we? There's gonna be a graphic around here showing you the whole funnel that you're gonna send people to. So the first step of the funnel is always a capture page. You want to send people into an email opt-in because you want to capture their email. Now, in this email opt-in that you're gonna be seeing on screen, I'm offering a free Facebook ad cheat sheet that you're welcome to download if you want to. There's gonna be a link somewhere around here. But as you can see, I have a really specific benefit, and the cheat sheet that I'm offering is really easy to consume. And this is important because when you're trying to brainstorm about how to get lead magnets ideas, it's really important that you keep it simple and that you keep it super fast and short to consume. Like, I have these students that they will come to me and say, Hernan, I have this amazing idea for a five-day video course. I want to go ahead and make it free. But the reality is that if people do not know who you are, they haven't heard about you, it's super hard for them to commit 5 days to watch a video course, even if it's free. So your cheat sheet needs to be super quick, super short, and to the point, and it needs to solve a specific problem. There's gonna be a link around here for a video that I made on how to get unlimited lead magnets idea. There's two ways of doing that, and that video is gonna really help you out. So that's step number one. Step number one is to have an opt-in page so that you can capture people, and then on the thank you page of that page, you're gonna be offering something to buy, right? It can be an affiliate product, it can be your own product, it can be a Shopify product, like a low price Shopify product, just because of the fact that you want to recoup some of the investment that you're doing on ads. Don't wait that these products it's gonna make you a lot of money. This is called a self-liquidating offer, because some of that money you will be able to invest back in your advertising. So you want to offer something, a low price ticket, up to $10 on the thank you page, just like that. So that's step number two. And step number three is to actually have the download page separate from your thank you page. Why? Because some people will actually use fake emails, and you want to reward those people that use their actual email to get your stuff. So you want to send an email with a link to download the thing that you offer them, the cheat sheet, the free lead magnet, whatever that is, and you want to reward those people and actually send a link through the email. Do not give them the chance to download on the thank you page, because again, you just want to work with people that are really interested in what you have to offer. That's why they're giving you the real email address. So that's in terms of the actual sales funnel. Again, there's going to be links around here, so if you want to check them out, and the screenshots should be around here by the magic of editing. Now, when it comes to Facebook ads, there's only one Facebook campaign that you need to be running for this to work, and that's a conversion campaign, a lead conversion campaign. What do I mean? When you're on the Facebook ads screen, you're gonna go ahead and choose the conversion campaign, and then when you're asked to what kind of conversion you want to run, you want to choose the lead conversion. Now, before you do that, it's really important that you have the pixel installed, and there's going to be a link around here for a video that I made that you can go ahead and follow step by step on how to install your pixel on your funnel. Now, because Facebook works on data, the more traffic you run to that Facebook funnel, the more data it will have, and the more opportunity it will get you to actually show your ad to people that are prone to convert, prone to download your stuff and be part of your email list from now on. So it's really important that you follow that tutorial before you do this, because based on the funnel and based on the data that you feed into Facebook is the kind of results that you're gonna have. And last but not least, you will need some sort of advertising, like the creative, meaning the image or the video. There's gonna be a link somewhere around here so that you can check out my latest video on how to create the perfect Facebook ads. If you download the cheat sheet, you will be able to get also information on how to create the perfect Facebook ad. So let's say that you are selling or that you are giving away a PDF on weight loss. So the perfect Facebook ad cheat sheet will walk you through the exact steps that you need to use in order to craft the perfect ad for your audience. And there's gonna be a couple of tutorials as well showing you how to do the correct targeting. So as you can see, it's a super simple method that involves two things: a sales funnel and a lead capture page, and then some Facebook ads that you will be able to create using this Facebook ad cheat sheet. And then all you need to do is to run $5 a day. That's all there is to do it. There's nothing more, nothing complicated around that. And with $5 a day, what kind of results you can expect? Well, I have some lead magnet, because this is what I do. I create lists, and this is, what I do for my own businesses. So I have some lead magnets that are converting for US, Canada, UK, etc., etc. I'm collecting leads on 20 cents per lead. On some cases, I'm paying anywhere between 50 cents and $1 per lead, depending on the targeting, depending on the niche. But if you think about it, that's quite a bunch of leads for just $5 a day. So that's how you start growing your list. You give away value, and then off you go to grow your list. So if you have any questions, please come and join the free Facebook group. It's 100% free. You will be able to ask all of the questions that you want. And if you really want more of these kind of content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and you're gonna get a lot of free value. Some of this stuff actually are people out there charging you for, but this is free, so get used. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you really, really soon. Bye-bye.